Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall Razer Synapse. So first, open your settings. Let's search settings here. Click on it. And then on the left side, you can search for installed apps. Click on the result. And then here, search for Razer Synapse. And on its right side, you will see 3 horizontal dots. Click on it and then hit uninstall. Once you follow the prompts, it is now uninstalled, but it is not yet completely removed. So to completely remove it and finish the process, go to your File Explorer, find your drive, and then Program Files 86. Find for Razer, and then make sure this is deleted. So right click on it and click delete. So basically that's it on how to completely remove Razer Synapse on your PC.